What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Mountain Creek vlog. Today we're here with Brian. See, like I said, he's a staple in the Mountain Creek vlog series. He was here season 1, he was here season 2, and he's again gonna be here a lot more often for season 3. Today is January 7th of 2021. We're here on South Peak today, and we're gonna have a sick time.
I'm stoked.
I am also stoked. And I would be super stoked if you guys hit that subscribe button for me, because I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of this winter. It's a goal I really want to achieve, and we're over halfway there already. So let's keep her going. If you're enjoying the content, I'm uploading daily during my winter break, and smash subscribe. That'd be sick. Anyway,
Smash subscribe.
smash subscribe. I think that's all I've got to say. Is that all you got to say?
Oh, that's all I've got.
And let's go into some snowboarding. Woo!
Maybe I shouldn't worry. Maybe I shouldn't worry. When did we begin to be lovers? When did we begin to begin? As the sun burns down in my eyes over the boulevard, stoned and beautiful, you know you take my breath away. No, there's nobody else, just two birds talking too close upon the electric wire. That's how we fall in love.
All right, guys, real quick, we just finished our first run down creek, and I want to give you a conditions update. Today, things are running very nicely. However, snow is a bunch of blown snow from, I guess, overnight or 2 nights ago, and it gets a little slow in some areas. So you got to definitely carry your speed through the flats, and if you don't, you're not going to make it across. And they have a few features that are closed. Some of the rails at the top of canyon are closed. The jump at the top of canyon is smaller now. The jump at the bottom of Bakersfield is smaller now, but they also have 2 new features that they swapped out. There's a new pipe to rail at the top of Bakersfield, and then a pipe at the bottom of Bakersfield. The problem with the pipe at the bottom of Bakersfield is you run out of speed because the snow is slow. So be wary. But yeah, that's it so far. And we're gonna keep riding. I'm gonna try and land a few new tricks today, or like trying to remember how to do tricks. I'm trying to remember board slides. They always scare me. Pretty good at lip slides, but board slides scare me for some reason. I don't know. We'll see how things go. But it's a beautiful day. Can't beat it. Right, Brian?
Best day.
Absolutely gorgeous day. And we're out here having a good time. So yeah, let's jump back into some snowboarding. Yee!
That's how we fall in love. That's how you fall in love. That's how we fall in love. Maybe I shouldn't worry. Begin to be lovers. Did they kill the Sandman? Did they kill the Sandman? Did you kill the Sandman? Did they kill the Sandman? Did they kill the Sandman? These helicopters make me crazy, crazy. Oh yeah. That's how you fall in love. That's how they fall in love. That's how they fall in love. That's how you fall in love. Sunglasses on, red bandana pressed up across your heart. I'm knocking for.
That went so poorly.
But I let you know exactly who I am. That's how you fall in love. That's how you fall in love.
God, I can't get speed here. It's so slow right here.
That's how you fall in love. That's how you fall in love. That's how you fall in love.
Alright guys, so that was today's Mountain Creek vlog. It was a good time up here with Brian, right Brian? Brian's consuming yogurt currently. I'm quite hungry as well, but I don't want to spend money on food, so do the good old, we have food at home. And food at home is like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, so. Anyway, I had a fun time up there today. I honestly took a couple slams. I bit the crap out of my lower lip. It's actually kind of purple. I don't know if you can tell. And yeah, trying to learn new things, but conditions weren't the best for it. I probably could have waited, but you know, can only get better by trying and falling and stuff like that. So we'll be back another day. Anyway, posting daily videos, so be prepared for another video tomorrow. Check back in to the channel. If you did enjoy today's video, make sure to leave a like, comment something interesting, and subscribe if you're new here. Thanks for watching. Peace.